Okay guys, now let's learn about the architecture of a .NET application. In this lecture we'll see the basic units of a .NET application and we will see the working of a .NET application. At first level we have building blocks of application called classes. Classes are the basic unit of a .NET application. So let's see what is a class. A class is a container or a box, or you can say a basic component of application which have some data or attributes and function or methods. For example, we have a class called person. A person can have multiple attributes, like a person can have ID, email, password, gender, phone number, address, etc. And also a person class have methods called login. So this is the basic example of a class, and so as the number of classes increase we need a way to manage it. Here comes namespaces. So namespace is a container for related classes. For example, we have namespace that contains only classes that work with database, and also we have a namespace that contains only classes that work with security. So here we have two namespaces. Number one is security, number two is the namespace that work with database. So in a real world application, as namespaces grows, we need a different way to separate them. Here comes assemblies. Assemblies is the collection of related namespaces. So when you compile your application, the compiler build one or more assemblies depending on how you partition your code. Okay guys, that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture we will see about the basic difference between .NET framework and .NET Core framework, and see you in the next video.